Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the password and security. Then just click here to the system security and tap to SIM card lock. Now just to lock your SIM card with SIM pin, you should click here once on the switcher, and after that enter your password. I'll go with the from 1 to 4. And then just click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully logged our SIM card with SIM pin code. Here we can change the SIM pin if you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.